Want to learn how to change your email address of your Amazon account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. So to change the email address of your Amazon account, today I will use Chrome. You can use a suitable web browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address, enter your amazon.com. This will take you to the official web page of your Amazon account. Now, tap on this profile icon on the top right. Scroll down and tap on the See All option next to your account. Scroll down and tap on Login and Security option. So here, you can see an option of Edit next to Email section on the right corner. Tap on Edit. Now you need to enter your new email address. When you're done keeping it, tap on Continue option below. So, we need to enter an OTP that has been sent to our new email address. I'm going to go there and check it. You can do the same. So here, on the top, you can see you have a notification from Amazon. So I'm going to tap on it for verifying our very new email address. So here's our OTP. I'm going to tap on it and then copy it, go back to my Amazon section and paste the OTP right here and then tap on Continue option below. So you can see that your current email address has been verified. For the changes, you can tap on Amazon password and then enter your password, the current one. When you're done doing it, tap on Save Changes option below. So you can see that you have successfully modified your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.